capital is more important than making money. And you want to lock in your trades, and you also want to protect your downside at the same time. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another edition of American Dream Trading's live futures education and trading broadcast. This is an outreach of American Dream Trading, which is owned by, operated by, managed by, and incorporated into a legal corporation by Chad Christian, who we affectionately call Coach because he helps us navigate the muddy waters of everything investing, such as stock options, crypto, and my personal favorite and the focus of this program for the next 2 hours, futures. Glad to have you here with us again today. We are live here from 2 to 4 p.m. each and every day, Monday through Friday. My name is Mark McSee. I'm one of the 20 moderators here at American Dream Trading that helps keep this ginormous corporation running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week throughout the entire known universe. So glad to have you here. You know the routine. If this is your first time here, make sure you click the subscribe, like, and share buttons. And if you've been here many times, click the share button anyway. And also turn on your notification button so that you don't miss any of our upcoming broadcasts. As we are live here 3 times a day, Coach is live from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Monday through Friday. I'm live from 2 to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. And Dawn is live with the Aftermarket Show at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. You can find that show over on our YouTube channel, which is appropriately named American Dream Trading. And that starts at 4 p.m. So there's a link, direct link there, or you can go through our free Discord, and we have a link there also. So glad to have you here today. It was kind of a mixed day, really. I didn't do much trading myself. Just decided I wasn't feeling it today, so I didn't. It's okay. You don't have to trade all day long every day. You can decide what you want to do. That's the beauty of doing this, right? So, as you can see in my background there, I got a silver chart up, silver's futures. And we'll take a quick walk around the block. By the way, this is your program, so if you have any questions or comments, feel free to type them down into your social media chat box there, and we'll do our best to try to answer your question live as time allows. In the meantime, get busy clicking those buttons, those likes, those shares. Want to see another 32,000 a day. Yesterday, we ended up with over 34, so I know it's easily done. So start clicking away. Right now, I'm number 1 in clicking. And then SS is there. User 14272, followed by Daddy Gold, Matoya, Fast Snake, all up there. Hit them like buttons. Let's get them smacking. Get me some likes. We need 32,000. It doesn't take really all that long to get that if you just sit there and click your mouse button as fast as you can. Good to see Cherub over there again, and Jerry over there on the YouTubes, among others. Do make sure you click that thumbs up button over there on YouTube. That helps our logarithm. For everybody over there, make sure you click that. Thank you very much. And you can also click the hearts and all the other little things that you can play with over there also. Yeah, we accept gifts, we accept hearts, whatever. Excuse me. Anyway, let's take a quick walk around the block. We'll start with the metal sector and futures. We have silver. It's had some nice runs. Was as spectacular today as it has been as far as setting new records? No, not really. But it had some nice runs in its own regard. A lot of these were down today, people taking profits, but we still had the real nice movements up and down all day long. Just had to be there to catch it, right? So that's what we like to see, play it up and down. Very rarely does it just go one direction. But ever since about 1:30 Eastern, it's just been kind of a nice steady run up. Did fight to get through the 200 multiple times. And the second time after it pulled back and went back up, it did break through. We were actually discussing this trade a few minutes before we went live with one of our members who had a question. And we took a deep dive into what was going on here and the hows and whys and what's is and what's ups and all that jazz. Gold, I didn't pay attention to gold today for some reason. It had a nice run up, nice bigger run, steady run up earlier. Also, again, the record high is 5107, almost $5,108 almost. Isn't that just crazy? I mean, it was 4,000 not that long ago. Let's see. I don't have platinum up here. Let me get platinum over there. I didn't bring one up. Oops. Gotta grab it. On. Yeah. I don't tell you. Let me pop it. I tell you what. Yeah, I know. Platinum up here. I didn't notice I didn't have that. Okay, platinum had a big sell-off earlier today. It's in a channel now. So it had hit a record high last middle of the night. It is now at, what was the record high on that? Now I forget. 2750? No. Oh, there it is. 29.25. So platinum did reach it. Now there have been a bunch of profit taking today. The other thing, the indices, they kind of drove this today. We have the FOMC meeting tomorrow. Oh, I'm glad I thought of that, because tomorrow we will probably start 15 minutes early. So don't be surprised if you get notifications that we're going live at around 1:45, 1:50-ish, depending on how long it takes me to fire up all the things. We will cover the FOMC interest rate decision live at 2 o'clock. We'll watch the market react, if it reacts at all. Now, the general consensus is they're not going to do anything. So it might be a total nothing burger tomorrow, but you never know until it happens. They could raise rates, they could drop rates. You don't know. But all the talking heads and all the smart people in the world seem to think they're not going to do anything, and they're probably right. They usually are right. So, but we'll watch it anyway. If you've never seen an FOMC meeting, a live news conference, that starts at 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. We'll watch that live also, as long as I can get a connection on it. We'll probably watch it. Last time I did it on the YouTubes. Works a little better. Of course, it's about a 30-second delay, but that's all right. You'll get to hear the Fed chairman make his statement. You'll get to see journalists, financial journalists from all over the world take their turns asking questions. Some of their questions are just flat out idiotic. I like to do it just for the entertainment value. But you get to hear how a Fed chairman speaks publicly, and the words that he uses, and how carefully worded the words that he decides to use are picked, right? He's no dummy, right? Whether you like the guy or not, he's not stupid, right? I mean, it is, in most regards, a political job, but it's not. They're there to be independent of the executive branch. And this Fed chairman, I don't know if what is this, February? We should have maybe one more meeting before he leaves. I think his term expires 1st of May, if I'm not mistaken. So I don't know. Let's see. We have another one? February, March, April. I should look that up, huh? Somebody Google that. What's the next FOMC meeting after this one? He may not. This may be his last one. I don't know. Somebody want to Google that for me? Type in the next FOMC meeting after this January meeting, the date. All right, so ES is in a flat channel now. It had some nice movements on it. We had some good, matter of fact, some EWOs on it. We had some nice climbers, and it pulled back. We thought it was going to come up here this time and hit that, and it didn't. It pulled back, went up, retested, pulled back, retested again. Again, this was another thing we were just discussing, retests, and the speed of which it retests. The faster it retests, more likelihood is it can break out. So you had to try here. You had an attempt to come up to it. It fell short, pulled back, went right back up, a quick retest. I wouldn't have been surprised if that one broke through, but it didn't. It resisted, come through. This one did break through, but it didn't really hold on up here, and it's since pulled back. So more often, and the fastest that it tries to break through a level, the more likelihood it will. NQ, volatile as ever, right? Ups and downs. The Russell 2000 index, right? Now it had a pretty decent run. Now it was pretty choppy to start with, as you can see. Look at these candles over here, right? At the market open, it was just kind of ugly, just way wild up and downs. Big candles down, big candles back up. It was just, whew. It was kind of hard to trade that. You had to be a really good scalper to hold your own trading that today, right? And again, then look how much it shot back up again. So it was kind of crazy today. Now things have calmed down. Usually around 10:30, things slow down, calm down here. This was about a little after 10 today when it finally went one directional, and then about 10:30, then it went the other direction. So we kind of look for that after the 10 o'clock hour, 10:15 usually, but this was like at 10, went straight up, and 10:30 went straight back down. We discussed that earlier also this morning. And then consolidation towards 11 o'clock when the volume starts dropping off, and then it's been in a nice steady run up and down, a lot easier trading, right? Makes for an exciting payday when that happens. I don't know why I have all these lines here. I'm going to get rid of that one real quick.
Next meeting is June, Mark.
June. Okay. So I believe his term ends in May, if I'm not mistaken. So. I guess those are all self-drawn lines. Anyway. Trying to erase this line here. Oop. What's going on here? I won't select it. Anyway, doesn't matter. Then you have the Dow. The Dow can get into some really nice runs. It's really paid big, but it was the same way to start with. Had a ginormous pullback, one directional. Or no, this one went up, didn't it? Let's see, I forget. No, it went down. So it had a nice slide downward, nice climb back up. If you could have got it in that road, that's a lot of money there you could have made. Same way back down. And then you could have just been some quick up and downs here. You'd have had to use all your skills, but you could have done it. And now it's in this flat channel here. So, and then oil, oil's a little bit crazy. So it was spiky, but it did climb. We're up in the $62 level again. So that's a good thing as far as the oil producers go. I actually was going to trade soybean oil today. I hadn't done it forever. Slapped some lines on my chart, and I was prepared to do it. Man, that thing was just nuts. Straight up, straight down, chop, chop, chop. And then it finally chopped its way up, but I quit playing. I'm like, man, it's like watching paint dry. And it's been in this channel. I'm glad I didn't sit there all day. But I could have, right? If that was what I wanted to do, which I did initially, but I'm an impatient person. I just couldn't handle it today, sitting there watching the paint dry. I'm really tired today. My brain's like mush. So I'm going to be acting crazy today. We're going to do some scalps today, baby. Whatever that presents itself to us. Speaking of which, I don't believe I reset I'm going to paper trade. Yes, I did reset it. Okay. That early this morning. I never have used it since. So anyway, if you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them down in your chat box, and I'll try to answer your questions live. Doug's not here today. Today's Dougie's birthday, so he's taking a day off, having a good time. Hopefully he's having a good steak dinner or whatever it is he likes to eat, wherever he wants. At a favorite restaurant. Who knows? I don't know how people spend their birthdays. Didn't ask. None of my business. All right, so we are currently at a measly 1,400 likes over on TikTok. That's a long way from 32,000. Get over there and click. Same way over there on the YouTubes. What are we doing over there? How many thumbs up do we have? Let's see. Well, 80% of you have clicked thumbs up. Thank you very much. What's wrong with the other 20%? There we go. So, all right, Daddy, thank you for your follow there, and thank you, Gal, for the live, sharing the live. I appreciate it very much. We need everybody to click that share button up there on your screen and share that out to your social media contacts. Introduce them to American Dream Trading. By the way, let me get this out of the way real quick. This Friday at midnight, this Saturday at midnight, in other words, February 1st, we will no longer be offering lifetime memberships. Everything is going to be going back to the annual, semi-annual, quarterly, and monthly, which is nothing wrong with that. It's just there for a while. We've been offering lifetimes. You pay one time and never pay again. In other words, lifetime. I had a substantial discount, and that is still true for the remainder of this week. But Sunday morning at midnight, 12:01 Sunday morning Eastern time, those all go away forever. So quit hem-hawing around. You've been sitting on the fence. You know you want to do it. There's Pilot Dog over there. Thank you, Pilot Dog. So quit goofing off. Quit goofing around. Let me show that to you here real quick. Okay. Now for those playing at home, let me switch screens for you guys this time. I hardly ever very rarely switch screens for you. Let me do that so you guys can see what I'm talking about. There we go. There we go. Can you see the website now, Zoom members? Should be able to.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you very much. So if you go to our website, right here's the address, American Dream Trading, right? You'll see Coach right there. You can't miss it, right? It says click here to join our memberships. Short, simple, sweet, to the point. Click that big old button there that we made for you. Make it simple and easy, right? And here you will find all the different things we have to offer here at American Dream Trading. First thing you should get is the free Discord. It's always been free. It was free last month. It was free last week. It was free yesterday. Guess how much it costs today, though? Absolutely nothing. It's free today also. So get over there and grab that. You can, once you register, you can, your Discord, you can interact with other members of American Dream Trading and discuss trades, ask questions. There's help desk tickets in there you can fill out. If you need specialized help, we can do that for you. And there's training education materials, a whole lot more in there. So you can get all those things. And then we go through all our different levels of membership. Premium is our entry level. It's $125 a month, right? Now, what I want you to see is that on these, they do, what happened to all the options? You used to be able to click on this and it would show you all the, let's see here. We got a glitch in our website here. Let me see. Oh, no. Once you click on it, then you can click over here under options. And if you want to, you can pay it yearly for $500, one-time payment for the year. Or you can pay monthly $125. I mean, you can actually see the big financial benefit there. 125 times 12 is how much? $1,500. For $500 up front, you get a whole year's worth of, you get a you get a 12-month for $500, right? Instead of $1,500. So heck of a deal there, right? So you can go through there. So that's our entry level plan. These all have different options. Obviously, our diamond membership is the one. We have our lifetime diamond membership. That one is going away with all of our lifetimes. It's $5,000 one-time purchase. After that, you're going to be paying $7,000, $3,500, $2,500, or $850 a month, right? So you want to grab that and grab that now. And I didn't share that screen, and I'm sitting here talking about it. Sorry about that. I shared it with them, but I didn't share it with you. Let me fix that for you. I'm sitting here talking, and you guys don't even see what I'm talking about. That ain't too smart. That's not smart.
Why,
I tell you, it's hard to get good help around here. Anyway, all right. So there it is. It shows you. Let me run back through that real quick. All right, since I wasn't sharing that with you guys. So you're back here. There's the big old button to join our membership. Okay. There's all our different products that we have to offer, right? So if you click on here, like the diamond membership, right, that'll bring you to this page here. And close this window here. Wrong button. There we go. So you get it for $850 a month or a $5,000 one-time fee, right? This is $10,000 a month or a year if you do it this way. It's $5,000 if you do it that way. One-time purchase, pay once, never ever pay again. This is going away Sunday morning at 12:01 Eastern Time. Okay? So you want to get that now. In addition to, well, let me go back here. We'll show you the different things. So that's option. Anything that has a lifetime option, that's all going away Sunday morning. So again, you can go here, click our memberships, scroll whatever you want. We have the futures membership. If you just want a standalone futures membership, it's $250 a month, right? Here's your different options over here. This over here, just click the options. You can pay monthly, whatever, right? So you can pay $250 a month. You can go $4,000 one-time purchase, lifetime, or you can make two. We'll let you even do it, split it in two payments of $2,000 each, right? It's $2,500 a year if you want to keep paying it annually. And there's your 6 month and your quarterly. So this lifetime is also going to be going away Sunday, right? So it pays to do that. So as you can see, this alone is $4,000. The diamond membership, you can get all the memberships for $5,000, one low price, right? So you got a $4,000 there. And then, of course, you have You have, it also gets you the premium one that I just showed you earlier. That's $500 a year, right? It gives you the futures VIP. It gives you futures. It gives you the crypto membership. You can click on that. That's $50 a month if you want to do it that way, or $1,500 lifetime purchase, right? One time, bang, bang. So they're all there. All you got to do is click on them. Now, again, anything that's lifetime. And Diamond obviously is $5,000, so that's the best value, right? That gives you everything you see on here, except for these two things at the bottom. David's mentorships here, and of course, one-on-one with the coach. Those aren't included either. Those are separate. But so any of those mentorship type things are not included, but that's pretty much about it. Everything else is included. And we also have our journal and all the other things. So where is that at? Anyway, you can find all that information and more. Now, so that's how you do it. It's very simple. Just click the one you want, right? Not rocket science. It's not too hard, right? It's okay. It'll be all right. It's not hard. Now, because you're watching today, up at the top of the screen, you'll see use promo code MARK. You'll get an instant 10% off all those memberships. You got to use promo code MARK at the checkout when you buy it. If you get that Diamond membership, that's $5,000. That's $500 right off the top. $500 free money to you, right? So let's get clicking over there. TikTok, we're only at 2,000 some. And so that's obviously the best value. Another thing we have going on is we have a affiliate relationship with Tradeify. That's a prop firm that trades futures only. And you see that down there at the bottom of my screen. Over there in the corner, if you use promo code ADT, for, in other words, for American Dream Trading, you'll save, I believe it's like 40% off your prop firm fees, registration fees, and all that stuff. So it's quite a discount there also if you want to get into thinking about getting into the prop firm deal. I don't do it personally. Doesn't interest me. I have my own account. I don't need to trade some prop firm's account. But they're very nice for getting started once you understand how to trade. You don't want to go in there not knowing anything. You'll just keep blowing up your account. So don't do that. Right? So you get some experience under your belt first. You need the training first. Wow, I just realized my mug matches my shirt that I'm wearing. Myrtle Beach. North Myrtle Beach. Anyway. Vacation. Matter of fact, we had a group meet up there with my other members of American Dream Trading. We've also had meetups in, I went to the one in Miami. That was really nice. Miami's beautiful. Lots of things to see and do there. We had a great time. We had probably 40, close to 50 some people down there at the time. Had a really good time. Got to meet all the members that were able to come there. And had a little impromptu get together. We've had some in Texas. And then other people have met up at various places, just in like 2 or 3 people. Say somebody was flying into town somewhere. Hey, I'm going to be in so-and-so city. And they've met for dinner and stuff like that. So it's pretty exciting to get to actually meet the people we talk to every day in our live Zoom calls without actually seeing them. Hear the voice, right? So good group of people we have here. So anywho, take advantage of that. That's enough of my sales pitch, right? When do you want to change your life? That's the whole thing. This is how you're going to do it. We are an education and training company. This is what we do. We train you to develop a skill over time that nobody can take away from you. And you can do this anywhere in the world that you have an internet connection. So let's look here. What can we trade? Well, let's look at this silver here real quick. Had a breakout above the 9. I kind of missed the entry, but it did break out above this little double top here. If this candle keeps going here, I might be interested in taking this trade. I don't want to trade 100. Let's go 30. How's that? We'll go conservative here. All right. Won't do I trade usually 100, but, and that pulled back. It's kind of diddling right here in the middle of this channel, but I was looking at this candle here for getting away from that. It's kind of trying, but not quite there. Just not quite there yet.
Mark, you have your, I think the WAP screen.
Oh, okay. I got to switch it back for you guys. Hang on. Oh, thank you. Yeah, you guys need to remind me of that because I'm switching all kinds of things. I keep forgetting that one. There you go.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks.
Thank you. All right. So, all right. Where we at TikTok? 2,500. That's a far cry from 32,000. Get busy at clicking. Pilot Dog's in first place. You going to let Pilot Dog be in first all the whole time? That's too easy. Oh, actually, I'm in first place now. I just started clicking while I'm talking. All right, so I'm waiting on a breakout of silver here. I don't know if I want to sit here and watch paint dry. Gold is kind of, gold's unexciting where it's at in this kind of flat channel here. Platinum has popped up a little bit, but it is diddling in the middle of this channel here. Gray line's the middle, the mean, the median, the average, right? There's ES trying to break out here. I want to see a more definitive breakout here, up here about halfway up this level here before I would think about trading that. Let's see what we can get here with ES. Getting late in the day too, but okay. 1715. Yeah, I could. Let's see here. Do a quickie here, see if I can get a quick pop here for some money. There's my P&L over here. You normally should not show your P&L when you're in a trade because you're watching the money instead of watching the candles, right? So don't do that. So I'm trying to get here, break out of this double top. This next candle did not start on the shoulder of the previous. That's a sign of weakness. This candle's probably going to pull back. Not a guarantee. More than likely it will, right? I didn't wait that extra few seconds for that to start. So I might get fortunate anyway. 717s are starting to show up on the L2, right?
By the way, Trump's speaking at they're waiting for him to come out. So.
Oh, that's wonderful after I got in this trade, huh? I thought that was a 4 o'clock. Now?
Not 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, okay. Thank you for that reminder. No, we said it this morning. I wouldn't have gotten this trade right now if I remembered that, but I didn't. Thanks for bringing that up, though. See if we can get a pop here before he starts running his gums. Now, he may say something. I love it when the president of the United States talks, and I'm not just talking about the one that we have now. I'm talking about any of them, because the markets will usually react to things that come out of their pie hole, right? And you can make some good money doing it. And I know the current president, every time he opens his pie hole, whether the market goes up or goes down, we make a lot of money. I love it. I love it when world leaders get on the TV and speak. I don't care who they are, right? Every day we have economic news that's released at a certain time. Now, these things, the news conferences, who knows what they're going to say. But I wouldn't have gotten this trade had I remembered that. But I am in it now, so we'll see what happens, right? This pops. What happens if this goes green at all? I'm just going to take it. I don't care how much it pops right now until he starts speaking, because I don't want to be in this and have it pull back and then get even worse on me. Failing to break out here. We have a failure to communicate. There it is. I'll just go ahead and take that $750. Go ahead, close out. Why aren't you closing? There you go. 750. Yes, it could have got. Could I wrote it up to my next level? Yes, I could have. I just wanted to get out of that trade. I don't want to be in here why he's talking, but we can listen to what he's saying. You know what I mean? Are you picking up what I'm putting down?
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? And good thing I got out of that. Look, it pulled back already. So, all right. I don't know if, let me check that. See, what is this meeting about, this press conference? Let me see. Check the president's schedule, which you can find online at rollcall.com. It always has the president's established schedule on there every day. Today's Tuesday.
He's just speaking in Iowa.
Tuesday, delivers remarks at the Horizon Center in Clyde. No, that's in Iowa. He's in Iowa. He's at the Des Moines International Airport now, right? So it says delivers remarks at 3 p.m. local time, so that would be 2 p.m. Eastern. I believe Iowa's Central time, is it not? I believe.
If that was true, then it would be 4 o'clock.
So that would be, it was scheduled at 2, but like typical, late, right? I don't know. Anyway, yeah. So he's just going to make remarks while he's at the airport. He's going to be speaking at a convention center. And who knows what, that's at 4 p.m. is when he's scheduled at, 3 p.m. local. So, yeah, it's actually 4 o'clock. Yeah, so whatever. Anytime when they get around to it, right? All right, so ES here. What I want to wait now, I want to see it get above this white line here at that 7016 level before I would consider entering this again to the upside. We'll see what happens. Comments, questions. We're only at 3,000. We only need another 30,000 clicks to get our 32,000. Let's go. Get busy at clicking. While I watch this candle here, I want to see 37 seconds for the next candle forms. So I want to see, what I want to see is the next candle form on the shoulder of the previous candle. That will give me some indication that there's some strength to the upside. See what happens here. We'll wait patiently. I'm not going to compromise my entry. If it doesn't do it, I won't. Right? So, what questions do you have today? We obviously have a restricted output here today, or people are just not in today. Didn't see any warnings or anything, so. Well, what's going on over there? The more you click, the more it'll go out to other people, and I appreciate your help in getting that accomplished. Fast Snakes in first place up there, followed by myself, and then in third place, user 1472188287141. Now I am number one. I've went past Snake. Aha! I like that, Fast Snake. You weren't that fast, were you? There you go. Does not want to break above this 716 level that I want. It sits here too long, I'll go find something else. I don't care. I don't care what I trade. I don't want to sit here and watch paint dry all day. Everybody's waiting on him to make a remark, I guess. All right. See if something else is moving. A little bit more volatile here. Let's see. NQ, don't know what it's going to do. It's getting a little heavy, but it's also, here's a level where this topped out here, which is about the 55. If this don't bounce right here, this comes down to 55, doesn't bounce, or the 200, then it's going to maybe break on the way down to the other side. Uh-oh, Fast Snake snuck back up on me when I wasn't looking. I gotta get back here and click while I'm talking. I'm pulling my own way here. Come on, free people. You're watching for free. Help me out. Get 32,000. All you got to do is just sit there and keep clicking your mouse. We hit it easy. Jess Tech says, Trump to discuss the economy in Iowa speech. There we go.
Hey, Mark, can you look at crude oil?
Yes, I can.
Set a new high just now.
Oh, for the day?
Day high, yeah.
Yep. Wow, look at that climb. Boy, is that nice. Okay, we're at the top of this channel, too. All I need is another candle on top of this one. High day. It's got to break above this level here. That candle didn't actually start on the shoulder of the previous. Might be enough, but I don't like trading energy stocks this late in the day, but as you can see, it's moving anyway. Doesn't care what I think, right? All right, so I want to see some oomph on this candle here. Not convinced yet that it wants to keep on moving on up. Got to sell off at 53, and it's not wanting to do it. There it goes. Ooh, it's almost sold off. See if we can get a little bump here. Come on. Let's pop. How the heck did I go in there? I went in there with 100 contracts. I changed my little thingy and my little widget. All right. Come on. Oh, it needs one little pop and I'm getting out of here. I ain't hanging around. There's 1,000 right there. Profit. Oh, now back to zero. Gave it up. There's 1,000. Now I'm giving it up. This does want to come up to the 57 mark, which would be 3. There it is. There's 2,000. Just doubled that money. There's my 57 level coming up to that right now. Now I can see it might want to come to 60. We're going to wait here and see what happens. I'm up $3,000 now on this trade, $2,000. Now I'm up 3,000, right? Now I'm down to 2,000. So what's that tell you? Every tick I'm making 1,000 or giving up 1,000, right? So, I'm done playing with this here till I get some oomph. Again, I normally don't trade energy this late in the day just because the volume tends to drop off. Now it's lower, but it's not as low as it. It's not low of the day volume. Let's put it that way, right? All right. I'm done playing with this doji here. Come on, get up there. You either get or not. Give it one little pop more, and I'm out. If it'll go one more pop. Nope. All right. One. Need one pop. Come on. You got to get that. So you know, as soon as I get out of this, this is going to 60, right? We all know it. That's how it works, right? You know where it wants to go because you get tired of sitting there waiting on it, right? So there's 1,000. Oh, lost 1,000. I'm back down to break even, 0, right? Not counting my fees, of course. I'm just tired of waiting. I'll just go ahead and take that 1,000, bang, bang, done, right? That quick. So that's how we do it. That's a quick scalp. Was 3,000 there I could have took. I was waiting on it to pop one more time, and it did. Support will be around the 62.50 mark. That'll be down here, basically top of this candle here area. And you have, they want to maybe try to pull it up 62.60. So there's about a 10-cent range right now. It wants to run through. But that's all right. I'm not going to sit here and watch paint dry all day, but I can, right? I can come in here. I can buy it anytime I want. Do I want to buy here? No. I got in. I'm going to show you what happens when you don't get in where you want to. I really want to wait till this pulls back to the 9. So there is. We'll slow my button there. Lost 1,000 that time. So I gave up my profit. That wasn't smart, was it? Right. I said I wanted to wait for it to come back to the 9 anyway, but it doesn't look like it wants to at the moment. But it's got to break above this channel here. I tell them every day, respect the green line, respect the red line. They're very strong, this channel, okay? That's a built-in indicator and coaches thing we got here. Hey, Jeffrey, good to see you over there on the Tiki Talks. All right, here's what I was waiting on. Come back, touch the 9, catch a bounce off the 9 if it will. I want to see. Could go the other way, too. Could pull. Here's my test.
Very little volume.
Yeah, it's very low volume. It's only got 12 volume. Normally I wouldn't trade this. I just want to see what's going to happen right here off the 9. Let me see if I can catch a quick little pop. If not, it's going to pull. I don't know which way it's going here. Got to hold that 62.50. If it don't, I'm sunk. No, I'm not sunk. I just get out of the trade. That's all. Nope, 62.49 now. Not looking good for me on this trade. Come on. You can do it. I need you to get a little pop back up. Now I'm down 4, right? Come on.
You can do it!
Come on. Again, you can see how low, well, the volume spiked back up now, so that's a good thing, but unless they're selling it all off, and that's a bad thing. Holding here just to see. It has not broken hell below. It's broken down to 9, but it hasn't broke away from it. This candle here is probably going to go down. If it does, I'm out. Rip the Band-Aid off, take the loss on purpose. Unless some sort of fortunate events happen here and it goes up. Still got time. Come on, get up there. Get up there. Where the heck's my stop at? Here, duh. All right, so I'm going to put my stop right there on the 21. Just in case it pulls down. Actually, I got that a little too far up. I want it. In case it dramatically pulls, we'll take a 12,000 loss. So let's see if we're going to get up here. I'll let it go to the 21. If it don't bounce to 21, I'll take my loss. Take my lumps, lick my wounds, and move on to the next trade. So we'll see what happens here. Still at 62.50 orders are, yeah, they're smaller now. 62.49. Got to get above 51 though for me to come out ahead here. Let me know when he gets to the podium if you would. If he does. What channel you got that on?
Not there yet.
Button. All right. My eye off the trade. All right. Come on, you going to bounce here? This is my point of decision. I'm not going to let it break this. If it doesn't bounce off 21, I'm out. I'm not going to let it go clear to my stop. That's that blue line there. Almost there. If it doesn't bounce, I'm out. Volume's low again. Looking for it to bounce off that purple line. If it don't, I'm out. Trying to. No, let's go down. Watching the candle, not watching my P&L. I already know I'm in a losing trade. Waiting to see. It's not going to bounce. Well, prove me wrong just there. Didn't have enough volume really to make it bounce. We'll see here. Comes up a little bit here or not. Next candle's in 15 seconds, so hopefully it'll be on the shoulder of this one to the upside. Got to get back above that 9 again. Questions, comment. Eric Moto is in the house. Hey, what's up, Eric? Let's go. All right. So we'll
I have a question. I have a question for you, Mark.
Okay. What's your question for me, Mark? What's your question, Mark?
All right. When you are like CL there was already in a uptrend, and you said you were going to play the bounce off the 9. Is that because it was already in a positive uptrend, so
Correct.
you were just waiting for a little pullback,
Yes.
and as soon as it hit the 9,
Catch a bounce.
you were buying for it to pop back up?
Yeah, and it did, and it lost steam, so it went against me.
Gotcha.
Which I should have ripped the bait date off them, but I gave it some time, right? So after
Right.
after I was in a losing trade, now I'm going to see if it bounces off 21. If it don't, I'm definitely out. I ain't playing games, right?
Gotcha.
I normally don't do it off
so
the
if-
21, but I just wanted to show you how it will. You can see it's supporting
Yeah.
itself there, but that doesn't mean it's coming back up. It's sitting here too
Right.
long, right?
No,
Again,
I'm
can
just,
I get
I was just
fortunate?
questioning
Yeah.
because
Yeah,
a lot of
'cause it-
times, like you always do a break and hold.
Yeah.
But I was thinking since you were already in an uptrend, it was already held, so you were just playing a quick pull bounce.
Correct. I was letting it actually come down to
Gotcha.
the 9, and hopefully it took off and bounced. Or it can come down to the
Gotcha.
21 and bounce. They're all points, right, of decision.
Yeah. Yeah.
But you got to have the volume to do it. In this case, it just came down there and died. If it doesn't bounce immediately,
Gotcha.
it's probably not going to, right? In this case, it did. It
Gotcha.
did exactly what I thought. As soon as I seen that candle die there, not bounce immediately, I'm like, nah, that ain't good. This is not good. Now I'm just sitting here in hopium, which hopium is not a strategy, right? I'm going to give it a minute. I mean, I'm already in a losing trade. Let's, again, 21. This is my line in the sand right here. Let me pop a line on it so
Gotcha.
you guys know what I'm talking about. Here's the 21. I'm going to put it slightly lower. It's this line right above there, okay? So if it doesn't hold here, bounce off of here, I'm out. I'm just going to rip the bait date off, take the loss. You have to do that. You have to get out of trades. You can't have hopium. Oh, it might come back up. Yeah, well, it might collapse here real quick too, right? I do have a stop
Right.
here, but that's going to cause me to lose 12,000 versus 8,000, right? That I'm losing right now. I can click this right now and get out. I'm just giving it its chance. I'm triple dog daring it. Let's go. It's not looking good at all, right? You got any confidence this is coming back up? I sure don't, right? And again, I could get out of this trade now and go on to something else and make some money instead of hanging out here. There's an opportunity cost of money too. There it is. I'm out. I ain't waiting any longer. There it goes. I took my loss out, right? Right where I said I was going to. That was my line in the sand, was the 21 right here, right? And once it broke, I'll move it up. Right there is where I said it was getting out at, right? Now, so there's a couple things you need to think about when you're in a losing trade. Number one, you could lose more, right? That's what your stop's for, to prevent you from losing more. No reason. When you can clearly see this isn't you're going your way, get out. Don't let it go clear to your stop. That's just crazy. Why are you going to sit there and watch your money evaporate? Stops are there to prevent rapid drops, okay? Or you make a mistake or something, right? So get out before it actually hits it. If you clearly can see, like in this case, the 21, if it didn't hold it, I'm not playing around here. I'm out, right? But I gave it time to try it. Already out at the money. So you have two things. Control your losses. While you're in a losing trade and sitting there with hopium that it's going to come back up, now you're also, not only are you losing money, but you're also losing the opportunity cost of that money. I can get out of this trade and go somewhere else, right? You take that margin money and go somewhere else and trade, maybe make even more money or get it back, whatever, right? I can put what's left of that money of that trade back into another trade, right? If that's what I'm going to do. So the longer you sit in a losing trade, that's that much less time you have to go somewhere else and see what else is available. I don't know how many times I've sat and watching paint dry where it wasn't moving up or down, and I sat there waiting on it to move, right? Because that's part of trading, right? Is waiting for it to do a move, right? Well, in the meantime, gold's going through the roof, right? And you're sitting there in silver doing nothing. Right? It happens a lot. There's always something moving somewhere. You just gotta be there when it happens. So don't linger too long, because now you've tied that money up and you can't use it somewhere else. That's something that you don't really think so much about, right? So, anywho,
Don't let your finger linger.
Yep, don't let it linger, right?
Don't let your finger linger.
Right? Don't let your booger picker sit there too long, right? Make sure you flick it before you lick it. There you go. Huh? How's that? That was gross. See. Looking here. Looking to see. I don't know where you're looking at. See that empty podium. You want to type in the Zoom chat where you see that? The podium thing. What channel you're seeing that on? Say it out loud. All right, where are we at over there? We're only at 10,000. We're a third of the way to our goal. Not even a third of the way. Need 32,000 today. Let's get busy at clicking. You got a little less than an hour to do it. Looking at MES. Eric, you're always looking at ES. Well, I'm at ES right now. It's on my screen. I was already looking at it. Not doing anything. We're waiting for, here's the thing. There, Eric Moto. Let's go. Mr. T's going to be having a press conference. He's going to be opening up his pie hole. Could go not good for you, so be careful. They're waiting on him to start speaking. So, anyway. Mr. T is supposedly going to trumpet his accomplishments with the economy. That's the gist of it, what he's going to be doing there. Obviously, he's not going to go in there and say what a failure is, right? That wouldn't make sense. Why would you get an airplane, fly somewhere to say, I'm a loser? That don't make no sense, does it? All right, ES, you're diddling in the middle of the bottom of this channel here, trying to approach the center. That's not a good place to enter, usually. Keep looking, Eric. All right, 10,000 and a half over there. Likes over there on the TikTok. 32,000 is our goal today. Let's go. Please make sure you share out this live on both all the YouTube social medias. TikTok, share it out. Hit that share button, right? It shows your name on there when you share it, so I know if you are or not. Right now, I don't see anybody doing it, right? Matter of fact, Gal was the last one to share it over there on TikTok. All right, well, that's like watching paint dry. That's even worse. All right, there's silver. What's that line there? The heck is that line? I have no idea. Where's that orange line? Oh, that's VWAP intermixed with another line. That's what that is. All right, it's two lines in one. I'm like, what's that color? Want to see it break and hold above here. And then I have 109.275, the upside that I got to watch out for. So it breaks and holds above it. Right? Nice run on silver, the upside now. That break of the 9, break and hold, let her run. Bang, 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 bang. There it is, the break of the VWAP. There's the hole for it, but it did not start on the shoulder, so I'm not convinced this is going anywhere yet. Not a real strong candle, even though you see some volume going there. I want to wait and see. I'd rather see that candle next 1 second more than this next candle starting. That one also did not start on the shoulder, right? Doesn't mean it can't go up, but I'm not convinced it wants to because they're not starting where the other one finished. Right? That's just not a sign of strength. That's a sign of a weak candle. Weak candle. Did I say wheat? Weak. Questions, comments. What questions you got over there on TikTok, YouTubes? Go. See that? That's a sign of weakness. Good thing I didn't go in long, huh? Can I play the bounce off tonight? I most certainly can, but then it's going to be trapped between there and VWAP. Really don't want to do that. That's a tough spot. We'll just sit on our hands here. Matter of fact, I'm not even going to sit on. Well, let's wait and see if it breaks and holds below the 9 first. It might go the other way, right? Could miss out on a very good play to the downside. We'll wait and see here, see what happens. I want to see a break and hold below the 9, and then we can maybe play that down to the 21, see if it breaks below that or not. Waiting. Wait. Hold. You got to wait. Don't jump the gun. Don't do it. Don't do it. I don't see any huge orders that wants to pull it to the downside either on the L2. Matt, got your hand up. What's up?
Hey, Mark.
Matt?
Hey, how do you yourself keep yourself calm during the trade when you're like, for example, buying off the 9 right there, right?
Mm-hmm.
But you're waiting. So how do you yourself keep yourself calm? A guy named Mark used to say, Mancini used to say, talk yourself out of the trade.
Correct.
I'm just curious what you think.
I just said what my entry criteria on this trade is, so now I got to sit here and wait on it if I want to trade silver, right? So
Yeah.
until that happens, you cannot compromise your entry to the upside or compromise your entry to the downside. My upside entry is a break and hold above VWAP, right? So basically, it's going to have to be above this candle over here. And my entry to the downside would be a break and hold of the 9 down to the 21. Pre-planned where these trades are going to go if it goes up or if it goes down. Until either one of them happens, I ain't doing nothing. Nothing. And sitting around waiting for things to happen is part of the trading procedure, right? Do not compromise your entry to the upside. Do not compromise your entry to the downside. Hopium, I can hopium and go straight up. But do you have any confidence this thing's going straight up? Do you have any confidence it's going straight down? No. It's consolidating. Just sit here. Hardly any. And here's the other thing. I'm done. This volume is like single digits. I'm not even going to trade it. Silver is very dangerous on low volume. It can really rip your face off. Gold's at a double top. Here I got a quick hit here I can do, maybe. Right here's my double top right here. It'll take me longer to show you here, but right there, right above this level. I want to see a break. It is the break. Oh, you do it all one candle. I hate it when it does that. I did one ginormous candle instead of multiple ones. All right, well, let's see if we can break and hold. Wow, look at that. Bet I didn't jump on that, but it does not meet my entry criteria. I want to see break and hold. Now, if this candle here in 8 seconds will start on the shoulder of this one above this green line, my top of my trend line, I will enter. Okay? But that candle's so large, it's liable to have a 50% pullback. We'll see. That candle did not start on the shoulder of the previous, a sign of weakness. Right? I'm waiting.
I need to work on that part, the waiting thing.
You know, that's a personality trait. It's we can't give you patience. You have to develop that over time. The more you trade, the more you get used to things, right? The more you learn what to expect. It does get easier over time, but you have to do it. You have to really, and I'm very impatient. Believe me, I'm horrible at waiting. I can't stand. I will go look for something else before I sit here and watch this all day. All right, now this has pretty good, well, it's a low volume. All right, there's my candle while I was talking. Missed my entry. I need to see my L2 here, see what's going on. Sorry. Order book. Yeah, there's no convincing orders up or down. One way or the other. Still fighting over price here. So I'm going to sit on my hands. Because it could go down to 135.3 or up to 138. Oh, I got the wrong contract up here. I'm in the wrong contract on top of it. That's all right. I'm going to just trade this one. I need to change this. Hang on. It should be contracts are in process of being transferring over, so it should be on the April contract. And you have to do that manually in TradingView right now. And it's about $100 difference. So, but it's the same scenario, right? Candles are the same here. Whatever. Now I have the right contract up here. Got to look at it. I'm like, well, that don't match the L2. I'm like, oh, shoot, I forgot to change the contract on this one. All right, I've got the criteria is exactly the same here. I'm not going to enter until it breaks an old above there. I have a pull. Once a pull, it could come down to the 135 level, which is about where it's at right now. 134.6. It's actually below it. And there's also orders up at 138, which is up here, right? So there's orders both ways. One to pull it down, one to pull it up. It's going to see who's going to win. Right now, they're pulling it down. Ones are winning. We'll see if it comes down to this level here. Maybe I can catch a bounce. Low volume situation. Again, now look how it's dropped again. Down to like 31 in volume. That's not good. Problem with low volume is if it goes against you, it's that much harder to recover from, right? Takes volume to move the price. All right, where are we at over here? Only 11,000. Thank you, Rogue, for that rose. Appreciate it. Rasmin World, thank you for that heart. Appreciate it. Got any comments or questions? Type them in your chat box down there. All right, what do we got? Is it going to tease me going back up again? Well, there's a huge order pulled back to 135 already. So 135 is right there, right? Right where the bottom of this green candle's at. It's 135. And we'll see. And I'm very impatient, and our paid members know it. I don't like sitting around waiting. Time's money, right? Uh-oh. TikTok wants me to do a puzzle. Better do it, huh? No, visibility restricted. Okay, you tell me what I did wrong. Did I do any videos? Did I play any music? This says a not eligible recommendation due to violations. I didn't violate nothing. It's shown a chart. I tell you, this AI sometimes is just be the death of you. Or did the puzzle piece while I was at it. Wonder why. Well, I kind of figured we were restricted for whatever reason. I haven't done a single thing. I haven't played no videos other than the intro. That's an original content. So I don't know. If we ever figure it out, it'll be a miracle. All right, back to the trade, already in progress. I haven't clicked buy yet. All right, so here comes my thing up to 138 that I was talking about earlier. That order actually disappeared. 139 is showing now. At 135 to the downside has also disappeared. So they pulled that order. So they don't know what they want to do here yet. They're jockeying for position. That one wanted it to come down to 135, has yanked that order. It's not there anymore. It's the shirt. Yeah, it could be. Maybe I need to go back and put my Caribbean shirts on, huh? The problem is it's 18 below, 15 below. Well, it's not right now, but temperature's up now. Boy, is it windy, blowing all that 13 inches of snow around now. Drifting everywhere. When it snowed, all 13 inches just came straight down. There was no wind or nothing. It was actually pretty neat. Not now. It's sitting there. Winds are blowing. Minus 20, minus 30 wind chills. Right now, it's only 5 to 10 at the most. Actually, I could consult my weather station, which has Wi-Fi out of my own property, which is also part of the weather network. So my information is actually getting used. Are you impressed? I bet you aren't. Let's see what we have out there. Oh, it's up to 13 degrees. It's only minus 2 wind chill right now, so it ain't too bad. Not bad at all. All right, let's see here if it's going to break and hold out of this channel or not. Quit playing games. Quit getting distracted. Nope, just doesn't want to break out here, does it? Got a consolidation. Is he at the podium yet? 3 o'clock. Power hour.
Not yet. Not yet.
Not yet. I can't stand people that are late. Drives me up the wall. Why I won't carpool with nobody. I won't pick nobody up. That person's always not ready. We're both going somewhere. You can drive yourself. I'm going to be there. I'm going to be on time. Matter of fact, I'm going to be early. All right, now we got volume in silver a little bit. It came awake a little bit. Still has not broken held out of this area yet. See here. Can I make a quick buck? Well, you know, you can jump in anytime you want, right? There it is. Now I'm up 26,000, 40,000, 39,000, 37.5, 41, 250, 40,000, 38,000. This is on 30 contracts. And they're going to break it or not. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. This could cost me profit, but I don't care. I'm waiting. Just profit. Got to break and hold above this channel here. There we go. Look at that. Did it pay to wait? Right there. 30 contracts only. $93,000, right? Or whatever it is. 85, right? See what we're going to do here. Silver to the upside. It's pausing. I'm going to go ahead and lock in that. 80,
What is
that?
gold doing? Holy crap.
Yep. What does that say? 70, 80,000? So, anyway, see how that worked? Just being there at the right place at the right time. Bang, bang. 80 grand. Let's just like that on 30 contracts of silver. That's how much that pays. Right? Bang, bang. But that's how much you can lose too that fast on 30 contracts. You gotta know, you gotta kind of know what you're doing. You can't play around. Right? So I'm gonna see if this breaks the shoulder to previous. Well, what's our high on this anyway? Or is this our here? Chart all goofed up. All right, so good to go here. How many lines here? I haven't updated this chart. Pull up my other chart side here. Doing the lines here. All right, so
We are in power hour.
Yep, I got a level there, a 111 even. 111 even is up here, right?
Fuck. It's gonna crave.
Rough right there. I like them apples there, Eric. You're over there playing around MES. Come on, Eric. All right. You know, as far as me gaining patience, that just, I mean, come on, I'm going to be 64 years old. If I ain't got it by now, I'll never have it. But I am not patient. I may be, you may think I am, but I'm not. I'm very impatient. I don't like to sit around. It's amazing I can sit in this chair for 12 hours a day. You get up. But it's just, you know, I'm confident in my skills, I think, so I can wait. You know, I'm not cocky, but I can wait, right? And wait for the setup. I know if I do, I've proven time and time and time in my own mind by using coaches, trading strategies. If you listen and you do what he says, that you're going to be you're going to be successful more often than not. You're always going to have losing trades. I don't care what trading strategy. But if you sit there and wait for the trade to come to you instead of chasing it, you're going to come out ahead. Now this one just fell apart on me here, but it is what it is, right? We'll see here if I get a pop back up or not. Got the wrong tag on L2 up. Wrong thing here. That makes more sense. Duh. I'd have to rip the Band-Aid off here. See what happens. Volume is still there, but there's sellers right now. You have a few buyers, wick there, a little small one right now. Waiting. Well, you're losing $20,000. Well, yeah, but you know, all it has to do is move a little bit one way, it goes the other way. Look at that, right? How much more I'm losing. I have a stop there. Here's my stop, right? Somebody answer that phone. I can hear it ringing. I'm only down 9,000. I broke even again. A minute ago, I was down $30,000. Now I'm up 9. I want to see it, but I should have took that. The breaks and holds and re-entry here. Gets back up here. I'm taking the green. Get out, reevaluate the trade, re-enter. Should have took it there. That was dumb. Dumb. All right, as soon as I see green, I'm taking it. All right, I'm getting out of this trade. I'm just taking it. That was $9,750. Now I'm going to reevaluate. I want to see a break and hold of this candle. All right, that makes more sense. You know what I'm saying? Sensei up to the 111 mark. See, look how much money I just gave up. But, you know, when you're in a losing trade, you do something dumb that you knew you shouldn't have done. So if you're fortunate enough to get green, just take it, get out, reconfigure, breathe in, breathe out, and reevaluate whether you want to be in the trade or not, right? All right, so this candle here would let me know. If it goes to the upside, I'm in. If it has oomph to the up, I want to play that to 111. But it's not very confident right here, right? If I get some oomph to the upside, all of a sudden, if people start getting excited and the volume comes in, then I'll jump in this for a quick scalp. My spread, spreads are high on this right now.
Hey, Mark,
Yes, sir.
can you hear us?
Yes, sir.
All right, just making sure. Thank you.
Hello. Oh my gosh, look who left the door unlocked? Come
I
on
don't know,
now.
I just coming in. Somebody was on a telephone. Phone was ringing. I don't know.
I
what's
heard a
going
phone
on.
ringing. I didn't know who it was. I ain't got time to look at the list. I'm watching this trade. Making money over here at Silver. Bang, bang.
Somebody dropped an F-bomb on your live.
No.
Yeah, that's why I was wondering if that's what was restricted or not.
Oh, I didn't hear no F-bomb on her. I'm up $84,000.
Yep.
All right. Well, I didn't hear it, honestly. But okay.
I didn't
Yeah,
hear
it's
it
all
either.
right. It's all right.
Today? Or are you talking about before?
About 10 minutes ago.
Oh, really? I didn't hear.
Yep. You were hot in a trade when it happened.
Oh, okay.
Somebody's like, "Oh, F," and I was like, "Oh no."
Oh, okay. Yeah, it popped up. Well, we've been restricted from the start because we only had like 5 or 6 people for a long time.
I saw that.
I'm
Yeah,
like, what
I
in
saw
the
that.
world? Come on.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. That's why I was
Uh.
wondering. And then the F-bomb. I'm like, well, we're definitely not going to be showing up anywhere.
Yeah. Well, how's it going, Coach? Everything good? Your
Hey, it's
day
going-
go as well as
It's
expected?
going good.
All right, good.
I see gold is just skyrocketing here.
Yes, sir. This is the real Coach.
Hey,
Should have been there this morning for the weekly recap.
dun.
Gold and silver on the list, baby.
Silver and gold.
All right, this is starting
All
on the
right,
shoulder of
going
the
back to
previous,
my-
but no up to the
All
upside.
right, see you, Bruno.
Let's see if we can get some umph up here. No umph.
What's the rule? What have I always said, Mark? And when the U.S. dollar goes down, right?
Yep.
Silver and gold goes up.
Yep. Currency's been going through the move. The euro set a new high, broke 120. It's
I
exciting.
saw SPY touched all-time high today and
Yeah.
then pulled back.
Yep. Platinum hit a new high today, pulled back. I'm up 15,000 in this trade, 11,000, 16,000, 24. I want to go up to 111, and I'm going to take my profit here if this doesn't blow through this. I'm expecting
Nice.
resistance at 40,000, 44,000 on 30 contracts.
Oh, look at gold is just
49,000, man,
ripping.
right here, 111. This is where I'm expecting resistance. If not rejection,
Oh.
there it goes. 60,000. Come on,
Nice.
51. Oh, red candle. See if it holds 111. Oh, look at that. 74,000.
Oh, Billy.
Woo! Here we go.
I'm still in the trade.
There we
I'm
go.
still in gold.
All right, good. 74,000. This L2 can't be right. PNL can't be right. I was more than that
That's
when I was
nice.
down there below 111. Come on. Let's go.
love that paper trading
Yeah,
account.
paper trading here. I'm just taking this. I ain't playing around anymore. It's 50 grand or whatever it said. All right, what am I up now on fake money? But this is how I trade, though. I trade my paper trading account like I trade my real one.
That's right.
I'm up
That's right.
$132,250 since we went live at 2 o'clock.
Very nice.
Bang, bang. Right?
Bang,
and
bang.
I'm not trading any more than I normally do. Matter of fact, I've only been doing 30 contracts at a time here. Anyhow, yes. It's been pretty good. Been sitting here waiting. I was watching the paint dry down here earlier. I got tired of watching silver. I watched somewhere else. I don't know, what did I go to? Did I go to gold?
Look at gold. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, gold's actually been having better
You
movement.
coach.
But it was doing the same thing. Look at that. Broke a new
Yeah.
52-week high.
Just ripping.
Oh, we love silver and gold over here in the futures. It's all we do all day long. We don't know
Beautiful.
how to trade anything anymore. We're just stuck here. We just don't know what. All we see is what glitters, because everything we see with glitters is gold, literally in our checking accounts.
Oh, it's awesome.
So, anyhow, there we go. Bang bang. New
Bang,
record
bang.
high. So what's the good word there, Coach?
Nothing much. Did you guys see that I updated the Tradeify account today?
I seen it, but I didn't look at it. I seen it was there. I seen an entry, but I didn't look at it.
Tradeify journey. You know what that means, Mark? Tomorrow, if I don't act like a bonehead and go full tilt, tomorrow will be payout day.
All right. You got to have what?
Payout
5 days?
day.
3 days?
Actually, this one will be, I think, 7 days because I had to have 20% consistent rules, and I didn't go heavy on anything. I just wanted to do 1,000 to 1,500 a day copy trading. I think the account today was up $17,000.
Cool.
So payout will be tomorrow.
I don't know if
all I have to do is profit 800 to, I think the max I can do tomorrow is $800 to $1,150. So
there you go. That shouldn't be too hard.
Nope.
FOMC meeting tomorrow. That ought to be exciting.
Yep.
That ought to
Well,
put
I'll
a
do
splash
it.
on the markets tomorrow.
I'll probably do it tonight while it's slow because I don't want it to blow through.
Well, set your limits on her so it can't.
Yeah.
Now you got to be careful because it will not stop exactly where you could be $1,000. It doesn't stop dead on a dime.
Yep. Oh yeah, I know. Yeah. Today I had it set to, I want to say I had it set to 1,200, and I think it finally stopped at 13 or 14. Yeah, it blows right through it, kind of like a stop. So.
Yeah.
So I try to get it close too, but
Mr.
I'll probably
T.
trade it as soon as the new session starts tonight. I'll probably wrap that up.
There you go.
Since it'll be a new day technically after hours, you know what I mean?
Correct. 6 o'clock. Yep.
Yep. Look at gold, partner, still ripping.
I know. I don't
Still
like these new highs here, trying to see where the orders are at. You never know when somebody wants to just take their profits and go home.
SPY is almost back up to 52-week high again.
Good.
Or all-time high, I should say. It's 20 cents off, all-time high.
Silver, I think I might stick with silver, maybe. Just because it isn't at a new 52-week high yet. That's up here at whatever it was. Forget already. Hard to keep all these new numbers straight in your head. It's new high was 17.7, 110. So I got more. I actually have. I don't have it charted out for whatever reason, because this is my other system here. Your system.
Little bit more room on the runway.
Yes. Well, and I have some history to go by, right? So that helps, right? I got all these on here, but
for shizzle, my nizzle.
Yep.
In the dizzle, his al.
So everything went well this morning, I take it?
Yeah, it just took way longer than expected. Yeah, it just took way longer.
Oh, that's good. You know, prayer works, buddy.
Yeah, we'll see how everything turns out. But so far, so good on all the things.
Good. Good to hear. All right. Oh, by the way, I don't know if I asked him to. Now, you can't make people post in Discord, but we had a member tell us today, and we've been following his journey off and on. He's been pretty open on a pretty much day-to-day basis. Took a $1,000 account, and he's earned, as of today, over 13,000 since November. Since November.
Yeah, that's
futures.
That's beautiful. Yep, that's beautiful.
He's just thrilled to death. He's taken some money out. He's actually has, I think, 11,000 because he's taken some money out. But he's actually grown his account. 13,000. He's 10, 12 next his account.
Yeah, 1,300%. That's awesome.
Yeah. So it was really exciting to hear this morning. He was excited, and
I want to see that posted. Whoever that is, I want to see that posted.
I believe he's in here now. He had to leave.
I think it's the same person that told me when he was up like 6 or 7, but that was a couple days ago.
Yeah, it could be. He did.
Yeah.
He did
so
a grand or two today. So
yeah, that's probably the same person.
Yeah, it was pretty. I asked him to, and I didn't go back and look to see if he may have. Actually, I asked him to put it in a testimonial, but I don't know if he did it or not. Again,
Oh, you know what? I'll
some
look.
people don't. I don't know if you did or not, but
Yeah,
yeah,
that's beautiful, man.
hard enough
That's
to get
awesome.
people to post stuff, but I don't know if you did or not. So.
I can't even get them to.
I can't even
follow
get
me
these
on
guys to
social
share the
media.
live. Well, I'll get somebody to post something to
I
Discord.
can't even get them to click the like button on
Yeah.
the YouTube videos of 3,000 free videos.
That you spent 4 hours making.
4 hours and $500,000 later in payroll to get them there.
Exactly. What video? Is there a video
right.
for that?
You mean I gotta click that free thumbs up button?
Yep. Marshall says the Russell's going up. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, the Russell's been a heck of a trade. Matter of fact, Russell's one of our new members, and he was being a master of trading natural gas, so much so that he just slayed that dragon. So we kicked him off of natural gas because he was doing so well. We wanted to give him a challenge. He said, okay, time to trade an indice. And now he's in the Russell. And when you know it, the Russell goes straight up, straight down since he's been trading.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah,
That helps.
look at that. Woo!
Yeah, find a direction, right? That's the best. Find the direction and trend is your friend.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for those videos, Coach. Incredible. Videos
100%.
learning every day.
Thank you, man. Appreciate
huge.
you.
Yeah, you ought to heard him today. Mark, that's going to go there and it's going to make a V shape. I'm like, whatever. And when you know, dag it, within like three candles, it was a V shape. Like,
Oh, that's awesome.
Like, where'd you learn that? Coach, I just got through watching one of them coach's videos on that very
That's
thing.
awesome.
It was hilarious.
I was trying to see if you
Love it.
could shed, but that doesn't happen too often. But
Shed myself, American Dream
Yeah.
Trading.
But it was funny.
Came
I mean, he
close.
just learned that off of one of the videos, and it was something you were teaching. And he called it out
beautiful.
before it even started to happen. It was hilarious. Dead
I
on.
love
great.
it.
It's the
Love
greatest
it.
place on earth. Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Marshall's tearing it up. He's going to be your next millionaire. I can feel it.
Yes. Love to hear it. Love to hear it. We need our 17th new millionaire. So
There you go.
I'm eyeballing you.
I got it jotted down. It'll be
I'm
there.
watching
It'll happen.
you.
I would almost probably guess it's going to come from the futures traders.
We'll see.
Nah.
We'll see. I got a couple in the queue over there that are real close right now in stocks and options. So we'll
No,
see.
you mean that little piddly show you're running over there with stocks? Come on, futures is where it's at, Coach. This is where the action is. This is where the money's being made, Coach. Come on.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, you're
I
in
hear
my
you,
house
though.
now, buddy. I know it's your house, but you're letting me live here for rent free.
I hear you.
You live rent free in my head of 24 hours a day.
Oh, that's great.
Oh, quick retest on gold back here at this level.
I
The
know
new
it. I'm
high.
in it
Oh,
again.
my. What did we just get
I'm in
through?
it right now.
We just
It's-
deep dive
it's
into what
popping.
quick retest made during our live Zoom call trading today before we went live here.
Oh, look at gold's popping again.
Oh, man. Oops, I got to get... Yeah, look at the spread. This is a 5-tick spread. That
Taking
ain't
another
good.
one.
5-tick spread, Coach. That ain't good.
I
That
just
ain't
took
good.
another 500. Look at it go. Pew!
Yeah,
There
but look
she
at the
goes.
Spread. Watch this spread. I'm going to
There
be
she
500 in
goes.
the hole. Just jumping
There
in
she
here.
goes. There she goes.
There it is. 4,000,
Oh
3,000.
boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Nah, we'll lock that $3,000 in. There you go. Bang, bang.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Bang, bang.
Bang, bang.
Coach, did you stay in that longer? Or did
There
you
she
get out when Mark
goes.
did too?
No,
There
I
she
pulled back.
goes.
It's a
There she
7-tenth spread
goes.
now. It's huge. The price between the bid and ask is 7 ticks. That's huge. You're starting out 7 ticks in the hole. Just jumping in here.
No,
now.
no, you're not.
Yeah, look right here.
No,
Shows you on
no, no,
trading
no.
view. 5.
Buy it in the mid, and then it doesn't matter what that bullshit
Oh, we can't do that. Buy and market. I got time for all that. That takes extra clicks. I got time for that. That's extra. Look how much extra work that is. How about
That's
right time buying
hilarious.
limit orders and
If you
send
buy it at
over
the
here.
market, you'll still be in the middle too. So it doesn't matter.
Well,
There she
maybe,
goes.
You know, you never know. It's just whatever. There's different ways to
Yeah,
do it.
yeah.
Over here. I'm watching over there. It's huge.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good about
making a nice job.
buying it right on the money. So
Yeah, I don't worry about it. I mean, yes.
I always market buy and sell with futures. I always have. I have never touched bid or ask, and I don't care what the spread is.
I don't
I don't give two craps about that.
Only time it matters is when there's low volume.
Correct. Correctamundo. I'm just watching the L2s. I just want to make sure I get good volume, just so I'm not sitting there watching the paint dry. Otherwise, I'll move to something else. I watch my key critical areas. As you can see look on gold, we're all the way up on that damn ceiling. I don't like that.
Well, we're right here on your 3.0 indicators, and I tell
That's what
everybody
I'm
every
saying.
day,
I'm watching
you
it
better
on
respect
yours.
that green line.
Yep,
Green
I'm
line
watching
to
it
red
on yours.
line.
That's why I sold.
Break and hold.
Yep.
Break.
Hour.
Yep. I
Yep.
sold right there. I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
Waiting on the break and hold.
And hold.
We have 20 seconds to go on this candle. Hey, TikTok, you're only 10,000 off for hitting that 32,000 goal. Let's go. Get busy clicking. I don't see them hearts flying over there.
Come on, clickety, click.
Either that or send me 10 galaxies, and then we'll hit it all right off the bat.
Oh, nice. Hey, don't forget, we'll follow you back when you send those.
Yes,
okay,
that's
great.
right. I got my first galaxy yesterday.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, well, it was from Miranda, but it's okay. That was the first one I ever
Miranda.
had.
She's awesome.
She comes in here and just makes everybody cry.
She does. She makes it rain. She makes it rain.
She does. I told her as soon as I see her come in, I'm like, uh-oh, you ones that are number one, you're about to cry. She's going to put you guys to
Speaking of making it rain, I need to send some money to Birthday Boy. Hold on a minute. I forgot.
Right.
It's been so crazy today, I forgot.
Today's Doug's birthday. Make it rain.
Dougie Fresh.
Right. Look at all the work he does and all the training he does. Right.
Where are you?
He's their favorite anyway, Coach.
Is he?
Yeah, they get tired of the old boomer growling at him all the time. Doug's a lot nicer than I am.
Look at that, Mark. Did we call that on the top or what?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. I was
almost like we know what we're doing in here, ladies and gentlemen.
I was going to catch that bounce off 21, but it didn't go down that far yet.
Dueling banjos over here, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey, don't be making fun of my heritage.
On Mark's porch.
Yep. Don't laugh. I've had a bunch of guitars on my porch playing the same time.
Very nice. Very nice.
When all your friends are musicians, it's not hard.
That's all I grew up around, so I got you.
Only problem is we no longer have a banjo player, so unfortunately. That's something I haven't learned to play.
Picking and a grinning.
Yeah, I can't play banjo. I've never tried it. I've looked at buying one. I just never have. It's a lot harder. I got time.
Yeah, I'm busy during the day. Pick or thumb pick. You know what I mean? You got to claw.
I'm busy during the day, Coach. I don't know if you realize it or not. I've got my days pretty tied up. So
I hear you.
We got a show to put on.
Too.
We ain't got time to be picking, right?
Yep.
I picked my nose quite a bit
Doug,
during the
wherever
day.
You're at. Yeah. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Birthday, all the things from the old man.
Just gonna break and hold to the downside. Wants to come back down to 174. That would be nice. I want to see a big dump after. Let's see what happens at 174. It's not losing its support yet. That loses that 174%, 174. I'm looking for a pull.
So does everybody see what we were talking about on the top of that regression channel, right? On the indicators that we use? Yeah. Does everybody see how we were looking at that? You have to respect the top of that channel.
Or the bottom. Down here.
Or the bottom. Yep. It's like ping pong, right?
Yes, sir. Them guys get tired of hearing me say it every single day.
Yeah, it's serious. It really matters. It's crazy how freaking accurate those indicators are. You know what?
Well, I know we're not allowed to guarantee anything, but I ain't almost afraid to say it. I know we can't do it, and I don't. But,
yeah, I know. Trust me, I use it all the time, though.
Every day. I yell at our paid members every day about it.
Yep.
I think they might have got the message. I missed that bounce off the 21 because I blanked.
So did I, but I'm going to see if it's going to now run up off this 9 to try to fight back to that new high and then break. A minute.
Break and hold here.
Yep. I'm going to put a tight stop off of this. I'm going to use the 21 as my stop.
I ain't jumping in yet. It ain't broke and held yet.
I know it.
I know you're more aggressive than I am, but that's okay.
Yeah, well, I got you. I just like that it already did the 21, even though I missed that bounce. So that gives me
that's true.
That's it's nice momentum.
Real men of trading.
Now I only went in though with 25%.
25%
position size of what I normally trade into it. So Yeah, it's like my entry or my feeler setup, you know what I mean? And as it goes my way, I'll add more.
Come on.
There we
Come on.
go.
There's
Come on, get up
there's
there.
no big orders at all to the upside or downside, so they're going to fight right here
Flat.
until somebody dumps one in there.
Yeah,
L2
it's just
is not
flat.
showing anything that convinces me it wants to go up right now. Heck happened
Yeah,
to
it's just
my
sitting here.
volume indicators? I don't even know what the volume is here. What's going on here?
I have so low a risk on the trade though.
Yeah, I know. I want to actually see things. Even though I am aggressive in my trading, I'm still conservative on my entries.
Yeah. I'm green on the trade right now. I'm just waiting.
Yeah, I'm not touching it till I see something. I ain't convinced one way or the other. There's still no big order to the upside, no big orders to the downside.
I hear you.
There goes a 21 again. No. Nope.
No, it's got a
They're
little bit of room.
They're still fighting, and the volume's 5. You don't want to trade gold or silver with no volume.
Yep. I agree.
Absolutely not. No volume. Now, what it is, I think everybody's just sitting there. You go first. No, you go first.
Uh-huh.
It is bottom of the hour, power hour. Has Mr. T started speaking yet?
And look at SPY
Not
over
yet.
here. SPY was 13 cents off of new high and pulled all the way trying to come back to the 200.
Mm-hmm.
Almost hit new high again, 13 cents away. It's a good thing we have that 25 to 40 cents that I used that variance, everybody, right?
Yep. TikTok over there in the chat. Damagook Empire. How do I get those indicators? Well, by being a paid member of American Dream Trading. Use your Coachers 3.0 indicators, actually 3.1, but 3.0. They come with paid memberships, VIP, Gold, Diamond, and also the Futures memberships. You have to be a paid member to get these. These belong to, and you also have to have paid subscription to TradingView, which is in no way associated with American Dream Trading. So
it's like $15 a month for TradingView.
Correctly.
Yep.
And I think if you find you use TradingView and you pay that $15 a month with a paid membership to American Dream Trading, you'll well, I can't say it out loud. You'll do well once
but
you get
you
the
might
education.
do okay.
You might do okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Have
Not
you been to our
financial tax or
website? Let me
investment
show you
advice.
real quick here. Let me show you one more time if you just got here. All right. Here's what we do. We're going to go over here. We're going to show you the website real quick. It's simple, easy to do. All right. Let me go back here to the page. So you go over here. There's this old guy on the front page of our website, American Dream Trading. Look at that. You can't tell that ain't been touched up. I know that guy's got more wrinkles what that shows. But anyway, that's the coach right there. You got a big old button. What's it say? Click here to join our memberships. There's two things you need to do.
Click.
First, get our free Discord. It was free a year ago. It was free 3 years ago. It was free last week. It was free yesterday. Guess how much it costs today? $0. It's free. Free forever. We don't charge. That'll help you interact with other members. Then you can look at all our different memberships. If you want a standalone futures membership, you can do that. You can click there, right? The Diamond membership. I highly recommend you get this. The lifetimes. All you got to do is click. All right. There's options.
Gold
See
is
over
ripping,
here.
by the way.
You can pay. Right. You can pay for a one-time $5,000, and you'll have a lifetime membership. That gets you a lifetime membership for trading stocks, trading stock options, for trading crypto, for trading futures. Futures alone is $2,500 a year. All right. What you're watching here, the base membership's $25. All right. I don't know, Coach. Would you even do a payment or not? They'd have to ask you, right? I don't know.
I would. You're breaking up, but yeah, I would do payment plans on any of it. This,
Okay.
just so everybody knows, this is the last week.
Yep.
You will be able to get any lifetime membership.
Right. After that,
Last week.
it's $7,000 if you paid by the year right now. Why would you want to do that? You can pay $5,000 one time, never pay again for the rest of your life, and you get all the memberships. You get the premium, you get the VIP, you get the VIP Gold, you get the crypto, and you get the futures. Future, like I say, futures alone is $2,500. VIP is $2,500. You're getting more memberships for less money. You get to go to all these workshops and do all this. It's all included in there, free. There's over
that's
$50,000 worth of memberships if you bought all our stuff a la carte. And that's no bull. Go to our website and do your math. And there's more. Wait,
the
there's
diamond
more.
membership and the diamond membership is also now going to include for free the American Dream Trading Academy.
There you go. Uh-oh, Doug's in the house, Coach. Doug.
Oh, birthday boy.
Birthday boy's in the house. Anyway, go to our website, American Dream Trading. Grab these now. The one-on-ones on all, or the lifetimes on all of our memberships cease to exist for new purchases. You're already grandfathered in if you own it. But effective February 1st at 12:01 a.m. Eastern Time, you will no longer be able to purchase lifetime memberships. Get it now, lock it in. That way you have it forever and you never have to pay again. If you do, Kook, however you say your name, if you do want some consideration, maybe split it in 2 payments, we will work for you, but you'll have to make out a help desk ticket. It doesn't happen automatically. So you got to go to our free Discord, and there's a help desk section there. You can ask, right? And we will see if we can help you out.
And
anyway.
Don't forget, right now for this week and this week only, you guys can get the American Dream Trading Journal.
Yep.
For 50% off this week only. Go get your journal. And just so everybody knows that's in this room, effective immediately, only those that have the American Dream Trading Journal is now going to see that channel. We just locked that down today.
Okay.
So if you have an American Dream Trading Journal, you will be able to get to post in there. The reason is we just didn't want everybody to see everything that we have in our journals and just go and try to copy them, right?
Yep.
So
all right,
go get it.
We got an issue. Dama says he's in South Africa. There was a problem before with, or has that been resolved for taking payments from South Africa? We got members all over the world.
Yeah, it
We were having
depends.
an
I mean,
issue.
if they have, some of them have a way for the U.S. currency. And before you purchase it, make sure that you can trade in your region. I'm not sure about South Africa. We have people from everywhere. Just make sure it's legitimate in your region. So
Correct.
Yep.
Memberships
look at
are
that.
not
There it
refundable, just so you know that, right? You can read our terms of service. So
Correct.
make sure what you're doing. But again, that does go away. Now, the journal's $39.95. Now, because you're watching live, what does it say there at the top of my screen? What's that say up there? Promo code.
10% off your first purchase. Use the promo code MARK. That's M-A-R-K.
Unless you like Doug better, then you can use DOUG.
Say go blue, you take 20% off.
Yeah. No, you can't take that. We'll never say
no.
that. No. Do you want boot? I can kick you out of this room. You realize that, right? You'll be coming in here with that go blue.
Oh,
crap.
what just happened?
Oh, I know. I shouldn't talk, Coach. I come over
Show
in your
just
little
went off
world
the
sometimes
rails.
and talk about the Ohio State. I know. I'm sorry. We just can't help
I hear
it.
you.
Anyway, the journal is $39.95 right now. It's half off. Okay.
Get it.
Is there a deadline on that, Coach?
That is a living, breathing journal, by the way, that we will be continuing to update and make better all the time. That is not a static PDF file. So when you buy it, just like our trading view indicators, we will continue to work on it, right?
Yep.
It's not a one-off. It's not a cash grab. I need it to be amazing. Otherwise, it does not have my name on it, right?
Yeah, and to even make it better, we take your suggestions to even improve it
Correct.
over time if need be.
Correct.
So for those
Yeah, we want to make everything better all the time, right?
Right.
That's the goal here.
Yep, your input's even valued. So not only can you own the product, you can maybe even help make it better over time.
I'm not only a hair club president.
Yeah, I'm a member also.
I'm a member too.
Yeah.
I was just about to jump on here and say that.
Nice. Happy birthday,
Doug.
man. How does it feel to be 22?
Oh, it's glorious.
Oh, that's nice.
I feel reinvigorated.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yes. Yes. Thank you, everyone, for the well wishes and the gifts. You guys are beyond generous.
Good.
Thank
Absolutely.
you. I appreciate it.
Good.
Can't ever forget all my amazing people around here.
That's right. So what are you guys watching today?
Oh,
We right now watching gold. Mark was on his silver kick, but I dragged him kicking and screaming over to gold.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I've only made how much?
Get over here, boomer.
Coach.
He was trading tin or something,
oh,
aluminum
no.
foil.
I'm up 129,250 since 2
Steel,
o'clock.
rubber. He was reminded of World War II. He's over here rationing out steel and rubber. Right? He had food. One of those little coupons.
All right, we got a
Ration
very
coupon.
important question here. Ego Queen. Well, I'm thinking about the $500 premium membership. Now that is for stocks and stock options only, and it starts at 8:45 in the morning
correct.
through 4 o'clock Monday through Friday
With me.
with Coach and the other training moderators. The $500 is an annual. You pay that all up front. Do the math. If you want to pay monthly, you can. $125 a month times 12 is what? $1,500. Who wants to pay? Why pay $1,500 when you can pay $500 up front? Do we still have the throwback special pricing there?
I think we do.
$750.
I don't know.
I think you pay another $250. You can get 2 years for.
Oh, I think you're right. Yeah, I don't know. Bruno's got all that crap.
I don't know. That thing's
I
changed so
don't
much
know.
around here. I don't
If
know.
he said it, we'll do it.
Yeah, whatever, right?
Just
Anyway,
open a
yes,
ticket.
you can pay monthly for $125. If you go here, let me show you. We were just there, but let me go back. Let me get my little screen switched over here. Hold on there, members. Let me see here. Get that back so we can see it. All right. So if you're looking at the premium, okay, it's $125 a month. So what you do is you click purchase. Now this will show you your different options, okay? See over here, you have an option. Click that. All right. If you pay $500 a year, would you rather pay $500 right up front, or would you rather pay $1,500 for the whole throughout the year by $125 a month? You don't want to pay $125 a month, that's fine. I mean, just so you realize that's $1,500 a year. So, if you find some way just to pay that, look at the big, we're saving you $1,000 right there. And that fee is locked, that price is locked in forever. Every year when you renew, it's $500. The 125, it's locked in at that rate. It's not going to go up on you, right? But you're still going to be paying $1,500 a year after year after year after year, right? So wouldn't it make more financial sense to do the $500? That's it. With the Diamond membership, you get for $5,000, you get everything that we have to offer. You get $50,000 worth of memberships and different items, all the car items. So we have all kinds of things there you can do. You just click on. Make sure you use promo code Mark at the checkout. If you don't do that when you check out, once you hit the purchase button, you can't go back and undo it. So if you buy it without the promo code, it is what it is. You can't undo it. So anyway, click join memberships and it brings all those up for you to look at. All right. If you use promo code Mark, you'll get 10% right off the top of that just for watching today. All right.
Bam.
Man.
Just like that. Bam.
Giving money away, Coach. Big, deep
That's
discounts.
all we do is give money away. Bam.
Well, we're giving your money away. I don't know about my money, but we're giving your money away. I don't care. I'll give your money away all day long.
All day long.
If you're not in, we just start giving your stuff away without even telling you
twice on
about
Tuesdays.
it. We don't even tell you about it when we give your stuff away.
You just do it.
We just hope you don't
That's
watch
usually
the replay.
when I'm gone and Bruno runs some sort of stupid sale, right? Bruno special.
Yep. And we all say, boy, I hope you don't watch the replay over
Yeah,
on our
like,
YouTube
thanks,
channel,
man.
American Dream Trading.
Thanks a lot, man.
That's one of those ask permission after
Right.
the fact, or forgiveness.
Right.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Ask for forgiveness and permission.
Yep.
Yeah.
Now look at your little gold there, just kind of sitting there. All right.
I know.
Platinum set a new record high today, but then, oh my gosh, look at Platinum. Missed that one. Look at that big ass run.
Is it nice? Let me look. I didn't even see it.
It did set a new record high earlier last night in the middle of the morning.
Right.
Then it sold off big time, and now it's coming back up. Yeah, look at
Yep,
this
I see it.
look at this monster sell off here. Morning right before pre-market. Look at that. Woo. That was
Platinum's got some catching up to do too. It's just it's hard. That's a hard metal to work with. It's platinum.
Yeah. Drink this up a little bit. Hang on. This was a huge, huge. This was a buy a new house in the
Huge.
Bahamas money here. $1,400 sell off, and it was a one-click
amazing.
sell off. $1,400. And what's platinum pay? $5? What is
Yeah,
I
that
forget. I
would
haven't
be
traded it for so
sweet.
long.
50.
$5
50.
per tick. So that's
Yeah,
$1,400 times 5. That's $7,000 per contract, just from here to there. From what time does that say? 8, right before 9 o'clock to 10:30. That's buy a new house in the Bahamas money there.
Yeah, that's nice.
Imagine if you had 10 or 20 of them or more.
100.
Woo! I haven't traded platinum. I mean, I used to trade platinum like crazy. I haven't even traded that forever.
Mm-hmm.
It's expensive on top of it, but
It is. Silver and gold's good. I love them. They're both
we
great.
really like silver around here lately.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
So
I'm
anyway,
excited about the
Saturday
100
night
ounce
at
silver.
midnight, in other words, Sunday morning at 12:01, you can no longer get any of our lifetime. They're all going to be on annual payments, annual, semi-annual, quarterly, or monthly, depending on what membership it is.
Correctamundo.
And if you use promo code Mark at checkout, get 10% more off.
10% off.
Who doesn't like free money? Ooh, I got a Go Popular. I don't know if I had one of them there. Thanks, Ego Queen. All right, where are we at
I
on
don't
the
know about
likes?
you, Mark.
Oh my gosh, we're so close we can taste it. 30,000. Come on, where's our 32,000? We're at 30,500. Get clicking them buttons over there.
Clickety
Let's
click,
go.
click.
Click, click, click. There's enough of you in here.
I
You
don't know
only
about
have to
you,
click
Mark.
100 each and you'll get it. Eagle
I'm
Queen's in
excited
first
about the
place.
100 ounce.
Fast Snake is second. What are you doing?
I said I'm excited about the 100 ounce silver.
100 ounce silver if it ever comes around, right?
Mm-hmm.
Look at Mr. B over here in our Zoom. Made $960 on a gold trade.
Yes.
That's how we do it around here.
Outstanding.
Love
There
it.
we go.
Love it.
Making babies cry by taking their money.
He's not trading that boomer coal.
No. Hey, you call coal all you want. My coal shines when the light. I for the longest time I was going to get all my teeth in gold, but now I think I'm going to get gold and silver teeth. How's that?
Oh,
I'm
nice.
gonna look like Jaws from James Bond.
We'll get diamonds on the front of them with your grill.
Yeah,
a
but that
diamond
scratches
grill.
inside of your lip, though. You know when you do that.
Oh, right,
You know,
right.
You know,
No regrets.
no regrets. Chris, got your hand up. What's up, Chris?
Yes, sir. The gold contract,
Yep.
Trade-Ovate through TradingView.
Yes, sir.
When I went to click on it earlier, it told me it was in liquidation or something.
It's the contracts are switching. This is the end of the
Correct.
month here. So you have to
Yeah, you're in the
physically
old set.
change your chart to the new one. There's the last days of trading are over, even though they haven't expired yet. You got till
Uh-huh.
tomorrow is Thursday. Thursday, I think it is. I don't know, whatever. This week.
Always
They're
just so you're always do this. Always the third week of the same month. Never be in it, right? Be in the next month.
Right. So we're trading April right now, which is J.
Correct.
April
But you have to manually
Okay, so
force
go-
it to do that. Yes.
in Trade-Ovate itself.
Yeah, Trade-Ovate, if you click on, like if you got a hot list where you keep track of the one you're trading, if you right click, you can actually roll it forward, roll it backward. Or you can manually
Correct.
type in GCJ6 or
GCJ.
26.
Okay.
So,
All right. Thank you.
yes, sir. Yeah, it causes, we get the same thing every couple months when it gets this
Yep,
way.
yep.
It causes some confusion. Trading View doesn't,
Now,
and
is it
Webull don't
just
change
gold
like,
doing? Is it just
No, it's
gold
all
doing
of
that?
them.
All of 'em, you
It's
gotta
all
do
of
it.
them.
yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Rhino, got your hand up. And Colt's trying to break out of this double top here.
Yep, I'm watching it.
I'm watching
I
it.
just had a quick question for Coach. Coach, when you're jumping from trading like NQ to silver to gold, are you trading the same dollar amount on each one? Like, do you figure out how many contracts you would need and then use the same dollar amount?
Yeah.
Okay.
The only thing that I'm really cautious of more than that is what my stop loss is because the ticks are so different. So I have to be
Okay.
careful, when I bounce, especially like NQ to silver, right? So instead of 4 ticks, it's now 10 and it's much more violent, on silver than anything else. So
Okay.
I'm more cautious about my stop losses, but I know from doing it for so long, like what my quantities are going to be. Does that make sense?
Makes perfect sense. Thank you very much.
Yep. Just always know your ticks, what your stop loss should be. Perfect example.
Oh, by the way, I'm in this trade. 37,000 there, Coach.
Oh, nice. Perfect example, NQ or ES. Okay, so ES, I'm typically comfortable with about 12 to 20. NQ, I'm typically about 40 to 60, right? So it's every one of them is going to be different.
Okay.
So you need to know that before you get into the trade, right?
Yes.
Yep. Because otherwise, and I've done this before, is I'll flip to one and I'll have the same stop. And then I'll be like, oh gosh, that's way too big, or whoa, that's way too small, right?
Yes.
So that's the only thing that'll kind of get you.
Oh, we might hit 5,200. We're going to
Yep,
hit a
it's
new
trying.
high. Well,
Trying.
we already have hit a new high, but we might hit a new
Yep.
one. We get that 520.
A new high.
Happen? What do you think will happen at that nice round number of 5,200? Huh? What do you think will happen? If you've listened
I
to
know
me
what
more
I'm
than
going to
5
trade
minutes,
up here on this.
what do you think is going to happen?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's going to stop. It's going to resist. It'll sit there for a second. It might even get excitement, and they might just decide, oh my gosh, we're all in. All in.
Yeah, I'm watching the L2s. They're pretty flat right now.
Yeah,
We'll
they
see.
are. We're seeing 5,200s now into L2. There's orders there.
Mhm.
Again, I expect resistance, if not outright rejection and profit taken at 5,200, but we'll see. We'll run this up there. I'm letting this run. I've given up some considerable profit here on this pullback, but still green, up 17,000. Right? See what happens here. There is a big order at 5,200, so it's there. People want to sell at 5,200.
Yeah,
So I'll let
trying
this
to
get
get
up
there
there
right
to my
now.
white line that I have there. And I may just go ahead and take my profit and re-enter, but I'm going to wait a second and see if it causes excitement at a new level here.
Yeah, because if it does break it, it could supernova, right?
Yep, I'm going to move my stop up here real tight. Look at that. Look at that. What are we doing?
There it goes.
There it goes. I'm going to slide my
There it
stop
goes.
up. There we go. There
Taking
we
one
go.
off.
There we go. There's 75,000. There's 80,000. There's 80,000. There's 80,000. There's 75. All right, caught me at 70,000 on my stop.
Yep, it's flat.
Bang, bang, coach.
Yep, nice job.
How much am I up now, gang? Have I had a red trade? I can't remember. Did I have a red trade since I started 2 o'clock? I don't know. I'm up at $200,000, $250 in since 2 o'clock. Trading what I normally
Nice.
trade. Riding the rocket. Riding the rocket,
Nice.
coach. Riding rocket. Now,
Nice.
this is paper trading money, all right? So you all know that. I don't trade my real money in front of you.
Right.
Because I'm distracted, but I am trading it the same way and it's the same volume that I normally trade. Actually, I'm going to get smaller. I'm only doing 50 contracts. Usually I do 100. It depends, 30, 50, or 100. That's usually about my lots, but I'll go down to 10. If it's volatile or if it's not moving, I'll change. I don't
My stocks and options traders SPY went all the way down to the 200 and bounced, just like you are all trained to do off of the high. I always tell you, just like with futures, stocks, options, crypto, it's all identical. Always watch from the high to come all the way back to either the 200 or VWAP, whichever one is first, right?
Yep. 10 minutes till the end of the power hour here. This is the most volatile time. Oh, by the way, TikTok, congratulations on blowing past 32,000. Thank you very much.
Yay!
Good job.
Good job. Good job.
Thank you, Robert. And everybody else here, Ego Queen. Anybody got any last minute questions about our membership? Don't forget to use promo code MARK, M-A-R-K. Unless you like Doug better, then you can use Doug's name, D-O-U-G. Yeah, see that?
He said, "Oh,
no. Doug, you ought to heard him, Dad. You ought to heard him. You thought their puppy died or something this morning. Where's Doug at? Where's Doug at? Oh, it's his birthday. He's taking the day off. What?
What? That's
like,
not
what am
right.
I, chopped liver?
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
they probably
that
even
hurt-
know
oh,
I was.
that
They
hurt
probably
my-
even know I was gone today. They're like, "Who?"
Yeah, they hurt my feelings today, Coach. They're
like,
where's
who?
Doug?
You don't have
It didn't
feelings,
matter
you
that
go
Ralph and I were both there. Where's Doug?
Right.
What do we do? Doug's not here. I don't know what to do.
Well,
You were
they
missed,
like
though,
Doug.
I am exaggerating,
He's
but yes,
the-
Doug, you were missed this morning.
He's the calm in this storm
Yes,
that is
he's
Mark
the good
and Ralph.
cop. He's the good cop. I'm the grouchy bad cop.
Right.
I like that about you, though.
He's the equalizer, the calm in the storm.
Yeah. You know what's funny is, I'm a board member on our church, right? Or I'm the go-to guy when things go bad and somebody needs to be the bad guy.
Yeah.
So
The heavy.
so I'm the one that gets assigned that, and I'm like, I don't have a problem with it, right? I mean, I try to be
Yeah.
nice about it, but and you know what they always say, but you know what they always say when they want me to do the dirty work. Now be nice about it. I'm like, wait a minute, you came to me you're the nice person. You came to me knowing how I am.
Yep.
I laugh every
Just
time.
got to be direct and rip the Band-Aid.
Yeah, that's what it is. I'm not afraid to be direct with them, right?
Yep.
I'm always
same.
nice. I mean, it's not
Same. Nothing you can do.
It just kills me. Now be nice. If you wanted nice, you would have done it.
That's right. Not about being nice. No matter what, they're not going to like it. So you just have to be direct.
Right. Yeah. I joke about that, but it's,
Yeah.
you know,
I hear
I just
you.
tell it how it is. I'm black and white kind of guy. I try to be.
Yep.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I yell at these people every day in here, Coach. I just beat them up, and then Doug comes
Hurt their
in.
feelings.
It's okay, Mark.
Hurt their feelings into more money.
It'll be all right. You know,
Not financial tax or investment advice. Results not guaranteed from Mark yelling at you, making you cry until you make money.
Yeah, that too.
But it works.
Right?
Well, sometimes, you just got to be told how it is, right? I don't.
Oh, okay, there we go. Come on, 5,200. It's trying to break again right here on gold.
Oh, come on.
There we go. Here we go. Here we go.
It's 7 minutes left.
There it goes. There it
I'm
goes.
chasing it. I'm not chasing
There
it.
it goes.
I'll wait for the 50% retracement here. Hang on.
There it goes. There it goes. There it goes.
Get up to the
And
top
I'll
of that
take it.
channel, and I'm
Thank
going
you.
to take the 50% bounce when it gets up the top of the channel there.
Took it. I took it.
Good. I'm waiting. Give it a little bit more bounce. If it doesn't,
It's
stops
still got
there,
volume.
There we go.
I'm
know.
still
I'm
in
hoping it hits
silver.
that line because I'm taking
Still got
profit on the way
volume.
down. Here we go. Wait.
Got volume.
One more. One more.
Still in silver. Let's go.
More.
10 seconds on that candle, Mark.
That's all right. I jumped in early. There's 1,500. There's 2,000. There's 500. There's 2,000.
There we
Come
go.
on, pull back.
3,
I got in too soon.
2, 1.
Got in
New
too
candle
soon.
forming now.
There's $7,000. Bang, bang.
There she goes. Come on, stay up there.
I got out before it went up. Oh, look at it. Watch
Good
that
job.
pullback. I grabbed 7,000 off that, but
Nice job. I'll add if it breaks a new high again. Otherwise, I'll look for the bounce on the 9.
you're betting against me is what you was doing. You were trying to get to go up. I'm
I
trying to get
made
to go
my
down.
money. I
made
think
my
you were
money
in it a
coming
little bit
down. That
longer than
little
I
bit there
was.
made
So
7,000 on that right there. Bang, bang.
good job. Good job.
All right.
Looking for new high right here.
You want to learn how
Looking
to do
for
this?
new high.
American Dream Trading.
American Dream Trading.
.com.
.org.
You got in and out of the
.org.
candles like Mark was doing.
You what? This is
You what?
totally,
What
You got
happened?
in and out of the candles the same way you were.
Yeah.
The same
Oh,
candles.
nice. Good job.
This is like
No,
dueling
I was
banjo.
asking.
This is like
That's what you
dueling
did?
trading here. You got a guy in
Is that what
Virginia,
I
guy in
did?
Ohio.
Yes. Or did
Is
you
that
stay
what
in
I-
it the whole time?
No. Yeah, I got in on the break of new high and I rode it up until it stalled out.
Okay.
Yep. And now, like I said, remember I said if it makes new high, I'm in it again.
Yes.
Every opportunity, you
All
have
right,
to take
let's pull
advantage
back
of
to
it.
212. Be careful. Big order at 212 to the downside. Big,
Thank you.
humongous order at 212 to the downside.
Thank you.
That's support, actually, but, they see that. Somebody's going to want to wait and jump in there with the rest of them. Maybe.
If it can
No.
blow through it. I told you if you can break that 3,200, they're going to be, right? You're going to have huge volume. They're going to love it.
Here, I'm going to put a line at 212 because that's where that big order they want to pull it back to. Right there. The top of that candle's where they want to pull that back to. But they're going to run out of time here anyway, so, we ain't got all day to wait around. There we go.
4 minutes.
That's not that far down anyway. It's
Mm-mm.
one little tick down.
Coach, one more question. Do you use take profit at all, or do you always pull up
Never.
the stop loss? Never.
Yeah, I never
you
use
say
take
that out
profit.
loud in this room.
Well, the reason why is if you're like in a really
Never.
tight channel, and that's why I said
That's
that.
the baddest
Sorry.
thing in a 1 minute.
No, it's a good question. I don't do that because I don't want to limit my upside, right?
Okay, I just
Now,
thought
remember-
like to catch the wick is what I was thinking. If you're in a
Well,
really
here's the
tight
thing
spot.
is I would rather shed at those areas and take off 60 to 90% of the trade than take the whole trade, right? So if I get up to a key critical area, I'll take 60 to 90% of position size, and then I'll wait and see what it does, because even if it pulls all the way back to flat, I made money because I was more than 50%. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does.
And then as it breaks and goes through that key critical area, I will add again. So I can continue to work the same trade over and over and over. And I've been doing that live every single morning, showing you guys how to work the same trade. Anybody in here that's been watching me do that every day now? Okay, great. Glad to hear it.
How can we watch you?
Glad to
We're
hear
in a
it.
different room.
Oh,
Coach.
I
okay.
do, Coach. Every
There you
morning.
go.
Yes, sir.
There you go.
There
There you
go.
go. I know you guys weren't drinking this much Kool-Aid.
You know what,
They're
Coach?
kinda-
If
they're
I
kinda
get
hooked.
if I can get you to drink 1 cup of this Kool-Aid,
One.
you'll leave your own room. Come over here.
It's like mercury. I'm not drinking it.
Oh, come
I know
on.
it's shiny and cool looking, but I don't want nothing to do with it.
Come on.
I know it's bad for my health.
Well, you know, we have a goal over here in the futures, and that's to get everybody that's over in the stock room, that little sideshow you got
Right.
going on, come over here in the futures.
Right.
You wake
Right,
up one
right.
day and, hello, anybody home?
Well, I
Hello?
think it helps
Hello?
that the fact that for the last year and 3 months, I've been trading futures only in front of them.
Yeah.
So that might help.
Yeah, it might. Well,
That's
just-
all they've seen me trade for over a year straight. Every single day is futures.
Well, the good thing about that is what that shows is what your trading strategies and principles and rules apply to everything. that you can trade.
Everything.
That's the best.
Everything. Yep. Everything. I could go to, and I show that all the time. I did that the other night, right? When we went live, I said, just give me any stock, any futures. I don't care. It doesn't matter. I don't care if I've seen it. I don't care if I know about it. I can just trade it. I don't give a crap, right? None of that matters. I don't give a crap what it is. You give me anything and I can trade it.
Yep. Well, we did
Fart
that on the
coin?
live when I
Sure.
went live the other night on Saturday night. What's open on
Yeah,
Saturday
that's right.
night? Crypto.
Yeah, yeah.
That Chris guy come
Yeah,
in
exactly.
and just took over. He just took over. Crypto Chris. He just come in and took over.
Crypto Chris.
We just took no, but we traded a snot out of it, and I never heard of none of that garbage, right?
Yeah,
we traded
exactly.
a chart, right? We traded.
Yeah, it is. And it's 100% accurate. Am I right? It's exactly the same no matter what it is.
Do you have special rules for trading crypto versus trading futures?
Me, I do. I just have to be careful because some crypto allows like ridiculous, weird margins
Well,
and
what I'm
lets
talking about
you
is
use
your rules
leverage.
and your rules and
Oh, everything's identical.
Oh, what about
Yeah,
trading stocks? You got special rules for trading stocks?
No,
versus
it's all
futures?
identical. It doesn't matter. It's
What
all
about trading
identical.
stock options? You got special rules for there versus
No,
futures?
it's all identical. All the same rules apply.
What
all
about
the
if I
same
want to
risk
trade
management.
treasuries? Got to be if you want to trade
All-
treasuries. No.
It's all the same.
What about if
it's
I want
all
to trade
identical.
bonds? You got special rules for trading bonds?
So,
No?
pretty much hold till it expires. Don't take it out early.
Anyway, that's the whole point. A chart's a chart's a chart. Coach does not have special rules. What he teaches is applicable to any investment vehicle that you can trade. You do
Correct.
Once you get the basics down, and we will train you. We are a training and education company here at American Dream Trading. We're not a clog group. We don't tell you when to buy and sell, but we want to educate you so that you can do that on your own. Develop a skill that not even Coach himself can take away from you. You can do this anywhere in the world that you have.
I don't think
internet
Coach would
connection.
want to take that away from me because I gave it to you.
Well,
but
that's true. You know, well, you don't want to be an Indian giver, right?
I'm taking it away.
Right. You couldn't if you wanted to, right? Because you develop a skill that will last you a lifetime.
Right.
And anywhere in
Yeah.
the world. Right?
Yeah. I'm taking it back.
Yeah, good luck on that. Let me know how that works.
Yeah,
out
it's
for you.
over. 4:00. Listen, I got a dip. I'm gonna go spend some
right.
quality time. Everybody be cool. Thank you for letting me hang out. Don't forget, you guys use the discount code MARK MARK to take off 10% off of your first purchase of anything you do over here. And this weekend, Saturday, is the last day you will be able to buy a Diamond Lifetime membership or any of our lifetime memberships. Thank you, Mark. I appreciate all of you. Happy
thanks for
birthday
stopping
again,
by.
Doug. Thank you, guys.
Thank
I
you.
appreciate
Thanks,
you.
Coach. Appreciate it.
Sounds great.
Thank you.
All right, we are live here at American Dream Trading 3 times a day. Coach is live from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. I'm live with the Futures Education Trading Program from 2 to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. And at the top of the hour, as of right now, at 4 p.m. daily, Monday through Friday, Dawn has the Aftermarket Show, which you will find on our YouTube channel, which is called American Dream Trading. That's on right now. Head on over there. Again, anybody come in contact with between now and the next time we meet, let's try to leave positive, lasting results with them, right? We want to lift people up, not tear them down. Glad you all could be here today. Again, my name is Mark McSee, and we will